I love these bagel bites. Let's make some. First, you're going to need a cup of flour and a cup of Greek yogurt. That's it, literally. So mix those up, mix them up really good. And once you get them where they're about like this, then you want to dump them onto your board and actually go ahead and knead it in together. You want to get majorly all of the flour that you guys have in there to get all of the pieces to kind of mix together. You don't want to press too hard because if you do, then it's going to be like really, really sticky. So just enough that all the pieces stick in like it did on this. Then you're ready to actually grab off a piece. So get a small piece off about this big. I like for them to be a little big because I am going to stuff these. If you were just doing them as regular bites, you could make them a little smaller, but this entire batch comes out to about 9 of them. And once you get them all out, then you're ready to go ahead and check and make sure that they're all even. If you have some that's not even, just take a piece off and add it to whichever one is a little too small, and then you'll be ready to go through and fill them all up. When you guys are ready to fill them up, get you a spoon. I use the back end of this little spoon, and because it's perfect sizing for the spread that I'm going to put in the middle. I like using the cream cheese spread to go inside the little hole there, and that's about like a half a teaspoon. It's really small. And then you just want to pinch to close them up and then softly roll them back into a ball. And once you do all of those, then you're ready to pull out your air fryer. Line your air fryer pan, and I like to put mine with parchment paper in there so that way I don't have to worry about them sticking. This is an egg wash. It literally was just one egg that I scrambled together. I didn't separate, didn't do none of that stuff because I was about to use it for some scrambled eggs. I didn't want to waste it. So I did that over the top and then put me some everything seasoning on. I really like this one. I got it from Target. It's pretty decent. And put you a decent amount on there, a little extra if you feel like you need it. I did. Then go ahead and put them in the air fryer. The time for the air fryer is on the screen, and they should look like this. They come out so good, so soft, and please let them rest a bit. I couldn't. I wanted to eat them. I tried, and the heat got me, so I had to try again. And once I was brave enough, I went back in there so that way I go ahead and show you guys what the centers look like. But they are so good. I really love them warm, but go ahead and try them out. Let me know.